Laitila Coating provides contract manufacturing for mechanics from total system delivery to sub-assemblies, individual components, and surface treatments. We excel in surface treatments thanks to our skillful personnel and modern in-house coating facilities. We want to be closely involved in the design and prototyping of our customers' products. By utilizing our expertise at the design stage, it is possible to save costs throughout the manufacturing process, as we can consider suitable raw materials and manufacturing methods, joining technologies, surface finishes, and post-production treatments from the outset to ensure compatibility throughout the process. The selection and sourcing of raw materials is an important part of our entire working process. We will help you select the most suitable raw materials or combinations of raw materials for your work and supply them to you. We have perfected the efficiency, quality, and cost-effectiveness of our work. We have dozens of manufacturing technologies at our disposal, from which we select the most efficient and cost-effective for each customer's project. We use several different joining technologies depending on the customer's requirements and needs. Our range includes both MIG and TIG welding, brazing, and spot welding. We offer nickel plating, chromium-free passivation for aluminum, and powder coating services, including ResiCoat. Our treatments are suitable for materials such as copper, copper layers, iron, aluminum, and aluminum layers. We also carry out bracket or insert installations if required. These may include lifting sleeves, thread reinforcements, and compression nuts. Our expertise also extends to printing and marking. In addition, our range of after-treatment services includes the installation of insulating shrink sleeves. We supply you with both components and finished products exactly as you want them. We do both sub-assembly, pre-assembly, and final assembly, and help you find the best solutions for each product in a sustainable and cost-effective way. We take care of the whole package for you. You save time and money by having all communication with one partner, and the whole process can be handled from start to finish under one roof. Our experienced staff can assist you with all aspects of design, manufacturing, transport, and product quality. Our professionally designed and highly mechanized processes ensure cost-effective manufacturing and logistics throughout the process. Machine automation is used to load both sheets and finished products. We know how to create value for our customers in their production flow. We provide complete system deliveries, sub-assemblies, individual components, and private label production. We are more than metal. We are smart metallics.